Hey guys, bit of an exciting one. So I've got a haul video today, as the title suggests. Came in a little package. I'm not showing you the other side because it's got my address on it. Hopefully it won't be broken. An eyeshadow palette recently. You wouldn't have seen the eyeshadow palette, but I can show it to you soon. And I've got the pictures on my phone and I can show you how I had to repress it and stuff. But yeah, I mean, basically, Desi sent me some friend mail. By the time this goes up, you will have seen that video anyway. And Lisa sent me a palette as well from Clarity Cosmetics that I'd wanted for the best part of a year now. Pink eyeshadow actually came broken, so I was a little bit upset about that. But we're just going to dive into this. And I mean, they seem to have packed it well, so I really hope it's not come broken. And it does say, handle with care, fragile, thank you. And I think that's why the post woman didn't actually try and post it through the letterbox like she would normally, because it's only a small package. Now, I did say, I don't think I said it in a recent video, but I have been saying it, I might try and sell it on Depop, just purely because I need a new laptop, but I might be able to get away with saving the money up for the laptop. I want to see how beautiful it is, basically. I might not be able to bring myself to put it on Depop because I've never tried. It's a Glaminatrix palette. Obviously, I've tried Glaminatrix because Lisa has kindly gifted me quite a few. So, I've never tried any of their Christmas releases. So the outer packaging looks like that. And then, is it the same for the... Why can't I get into the darn package? If I rip this, I'm going to have to keep it anyway. Right. Ooh. Oh, I forgot it was gold. That's what the outer packaging of the palette looks like. Feels really nice. Bit of ASMR there for you guys. Right, please don't let me down. Please don't be broken. Oh, wow. Now look at this. Isn't that just beautiful? So I'll tell you the shades. I'm not going to do any swatches though today. What I've got in mind is to do eyeshadow swatches and then do a video as well. Right, so we've got Carols here. That's beautiful. Festive, that one there. Star, that one there. Cracker, that one there. Presents, that one there. And Reef, that one there. So it's a full-on Christmas eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love that, guys. Now, I was telling my mum I got it. And she said, well, that's going to have to go away for Christmas. And I'm like, Mum, I'm not putting it away. It's for now. It's to actually use on my channel. I want to do a few different looks with it. But first of all, I want to basically show you what each individual eyeshadow looks like just on the lid. Maybe not even with anything in the crease. And then I'll do an eye look at the end of that video. Or maybe I'll do 3 looks in a separate video. But, I mean, it's a bit bent here, which is a little bit unfortunate. Palette itself is absolutely stunning. Loves it. I have got another Glaminatrix palette coming off Lisa, the Rich Romantic. So what we've decided, or what I asked her, is obviously because the Clarity Cosmetics one that she got me came broken, I don't feel comfortable in taking it to my mum's for my birthday and her wrapping it. I would much rather her wrap the Rich Romantic one because I've not had any Glaminatrix palettes come broken. So I would much rather the Rich Romantic go to my mum's till February when my birthday is. So we've just really swapped them around. So I can't show you that on camera really when it comes in, but that's coming in. And then Karen's also getting me some singles as well for Christmas. Obviously, you'll see them in what I got for Christmas. I just thought I'd mention I'm getting a couple of things from Glaminatrix. That is absolutely stunning package as well. I've got a fly on my mirror. That's wonderful. Go away. For now, we'll put it in this bubble wrap. Okay, so I'm going to do my Shop My Stash next, but you'll see that before this one goes out. My eyes look terrible. They look so dry. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like. It really helps my small channel grow massively. Share and comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.